agencies present, no? PCUP, UPA, NAPSI, NUBSC. Currently, what available data do we have on the country's housing poverty? Siyempre, may iba't ibang data tayo, no? What are the evident factors on why Filipinos still struggle to have decent homes despite existing government support? So, meron ba tayong, PCUP?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. So from the point of view po ng PCUP, we support the memorandum circular in terms of it having a more rigorous regulatory procedures, giving more protection for the home buyers, especially the urban poor who invest their life savings in these housing programs, no, housing projects. However, we are also worried if this will give the developers a hard time. It might, if only if, it might have consequences in the delivery of socialized housing. But again, PCUP is here. We are willing to work with DSUD, closely with DSUD, with the developers, the stakeholders, and the Senate to come up with policies and procedures, no, to balance the interests of the stakeholders, especially the urban poor, who depend so much on the availability, affordability, and integrity of the housing regulatory system. But with regards to the balanced housing requirements, again, from the point of view of the urban poor, of the millions of the urban poor, ang concern lang naman po namin is we want to have more options. I don't know kung kasama na kasi sa number ng backlog yung court-ordered cases na hawak ng PCUP. Because as of today, we have almost 40,000 affected families na by court-ordered cases. Napapansin niyo recently, kaliwat kanan ang demolisyon that we cannot stop at ang mga tao na sa kalsada. So, I know developers, malaki ang naging contribution nyo sa DSUD. Yan nga po yung escrow account ng DSUD na alam ko, yan din ang ginagamit ngayon para makapagtayo ng mga CMP na kulang pa rin po. Pero ngayon lang po yan, ata. Sana after this administration, yung balance housing requirement, magamit din talaga para sa CMP. CMP po binabanggit ko dahil yan po ang hinihiling ng mga urban poor. Wala kaming malipatan. Wala kaming ma-relocate, mabigay na malilipatan para sa kanila. Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang po sana din itanong sa mga developers and sa DSUD kung merong ibang options yung balance housing requirement natin aside from escrow. Pwede po bang direct development by developers, a joint venture with LGUs, lalo na ngayon pinagtatalunan din sa Congress dahil ang request ng mga tao ay parating in-city. Laging in-city dahil isang issue din yung pag ilalayo natin, wala silang kabuhayan. So nilalaban din talaga ng ating urban poor organizations na in-city. Pero ang sinasabi ng LGUs, they cannot afford. So baka we can have joint ventures also with LGUs. And of course yung CMP, which is a very popular choice ng ating mga maralitang tagalungsod.